Let me ask you something. Why do some people stay broke their entire life, while others quietly build massive wealth? It's not luck. It's not talent. It's something much simpler. It's how they think. Today, I'm going to show you the exact 1% investor mindset that separates the rich from everyone else. And trust me, once you understand this, you'll never look at money the same way again. Most people are stuck in one cycle. Work, get paid, spend, repeat. But the 1%, they flipped the game. They don't work for money. Money works for them. When they earn money, they don't think, what can I buy? They think, where can I invest this so it grows? Backhand index pointing right pause. That one shift changes everything. Poor mindset wants fast results. Rich mindset plays the long game. While most people chase quick money, the 1% build systems. They invest in stocks, businesses, skills, assets. They know one powerful truth. Time plus consistency equals wealth. Even small investments, over time, become life-changing. Here's where most people go wrong. They buy things to look rich. Cars, expensive clothes, gadgets. But the 1%, they buy assets first. Assets equals things that make you money. Examples: stocks, rental income, online businesses, digital products, while others spend. Investing is not about intelligence. It's about control. When markets crash, most people panic. The 1%, they stay calm because they understand something powerful. Fear destroys wealth. Patience builds it. The biggest myth: rich people don't take risks. Wrong. They take risks, but smart ones. They study, they learn, they calculate, and then they act. Because they know, no risk equals no growth. So how do you build this mindset? Start simple. Save before you spend. Invest every month. Learn about money daily. Stop trying to look rich. Focus on freedom, not flex. And remember, you don't need to be rich to start, but you need to start to become rich. At the end of the day, there are only two types of people: those who work for money and those who make money work for them. The choice is yours. Backhand index pointing right CTA. If you want to join the 1%, hit subscribe and start today.